Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Are you looking for ways to bring some of the holiday cheer into your kitchen? Well then stay tuned. Today I'm participating in the Christmas and Winter Holidays Kitchen Vignette Open Challenge that's being hosted by Denise Jordan of This and That with Denise Jordan. Please be sure to check out her channel as well as the playlist, which will be linked down below. And thank you to Denise for hosting this. So I am going to be decorating a little corner of my kitchen that faces my family room. And since it does face my family room, I want to continue the penguin theme. So with that being said, I'll show you what I've done. So over there is where my vignette is, next to my mixer in the corner that faces my family room. And for this challenge, you had to have a tray of some sort, a sign or plaque, and then Christmas decor. And I am actually using this large plate as my sign because, as you can see, it says Deck the Halls. And it also has lots and lots of penguins on it. I found this at Dollar Tree on my most recent trip. I hadn't seen it there before. And then I have it sitting in a tray that I made over in a video. I refurbished it. I actually didn't make it over. I brought some more of the color out in it. And then I have one of my little Target birds from years past because the stripes on the pajamas it's wearing kind of went with the stripes on this penguin's scarf. And its face sort of looks like a penguin even though it's a perching bird. You can see it has a little tail. It's not a penguin, but it fits in and it looks kind of penguin-like. And then this tree is also from Target. They have them again this year in white and kind of a dark teal color, and those are $5. And then down below that one I have these little trees. These are actually candle holders, but I think my candles melted last year, so I need to get some new ones. But these were from Crate & Barrel over 30 years ago because I've had these since before I got married. They were my mother's, and now she gave them to me one year. But they actually come apart. This little piece comes off the top, and then these two pieces slide together. And if you don't like the colors on them, you could always paint them. I've always kept them these colors. I have thought of painting them in the past, but I think they would. Okay, I need both hands to do that, so I'll do that later. But you could paint them to match your decor if you are able to find something similar. And then next to this, I have this advent calendar that my younger daughter bought at Trader Joe's. And you can see there's actually a little penguin on it. And the colors go perfectly with this plate from Dollar Tree. So I thought I would just add it in off to the side as a place to store it while she's eating her Advent chocolates. So that is my kitchen vignette. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Once again, I'd like to give a big thank you to Denise for hosting this challenge, and thank you to those of you who've watched. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home, including seasonal decorating like this one. So I hope you'll consider subscribing by clicking on the subscribe button. I hope you all have a very happy holiday season and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.